Ikaw ang aking pipiliin habang buhay magkasama sinta. Surprise song ko to para sa kanya. Hindi niya alam. Kakantahin ko to during exchange of our vows.
Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to witness the blessed union of these two lovers. Okay, I'm so happy to see them together. They are so beautiful together.
We love because He first loved us. I will always pray to God to give me the strength and life to show you the love, not only the one you want, but also the one you deserve.
Tulog ako.
Araw-araw kami nagpe-pray para maging maganda tong panahon. God answered our prayers. Thank you, Lord, na init.
Si Dara kasi, pag may gusto siya, talagang pinupurso niya yun. Lalo na when it comes to glorifying the Lord. And that's what's important for me. Watermelon!
Nilalaman po nito yung composed song ko for Jabet. Ilang buwan ko siyang ginawa. Para kay Love.
Sir, ate!
Makakabuhol ka. First kiss din namin mamaya sa altar.
Wala pa kiss? Yes, wala pa.
Excited na yan.
That's why it's very important that love is the center of marriage. That God is the center of any relationship. And I'm telling you, these guys are bursting with fruit flavors right now. Nagsusumabog sila ng pag-ibig, no doubt about it.
Masaya ako and so blessed dahil ikaw yung binigay ng Diyos sa buhay ko. Your heart is so admirable and your faith in God is really a good example sa buhay ko. Sabing kasama ka, labis ang saya, o sita. Sagot sa dalangin, galing sa Diyos na nagtagpo sa mga lyrics na to, sobrang totoo to every time na nakakasama kita. Thank you dahil hindi ka sumuko. You've really worked hard to be the best, my God's best. And we both know that it is by God's grace.
Sa 8 bilyong nakasilong, ikaw ang aking nakasalubong.
Mixed emotions. Halo-halo na. Speechless.
Ay inuhit ng langit.
Pag naglalakad tayo ng nagkagantuhan, nag-share ng experiences, para akong lumulutang sa saya.
Paanong natupad?
Kahit hindi ko masabi sa salita kung ano yung sobrang nararamdaman ko ngayon para sa'yo. Meron tayong habang buhay para mapakita ko yun.
Paano nangyari sa akin na ba
Nagpapasalamat din po kay Lord kasi inalaw ulit ng Lord na maranasan kong magkaroon ng tatay at nanay dito sa Pilipinas. It's really hard living alone, but it's all by God's grace. So, thank you because you've raised us well. Thank you so much po, tatay at nanay.
Totoo na palang ikakasal ako. Matagal na namin itong hinintay ni Love. And I'm so excited.
Sa libo-libong mga bituin.
You are an answer to your Love. And ito na yun, Love, yung wedding that we've been praying for. And the day that God has given us to be one.
Papasalamat ako sa Lord dahil binuo niya itong istorya na ito. Malayo sa idea, pero just the right one.
We are not just partners, Love, but prayer partners for life who will both accomplish God's plan for us, our new family, and God's kingdom. All glory belongs to God. I love you so much. Love lots, your wife, Dara.